guys, to do this job, hood dampers, I mean, you don't need some fancy tools. This is all you need pretty much, if that's all you have. I mean, you know, you got your ratchet, socket, whatever. One of these, if you don't have this, but this will make your life a little bit more easier. I mean, you can use a drill, an impact drill, whatever, trying to use it, but you will need one of these, a 1/2 inch socket or a 12 millimeter, whatever. That one is for this. Millimeter, that's what it is. And then one of these to the focus. Yes, 10 millimeter for this part right here. So there you have it, guys. Nothing fancy. Denali, what you eating? Alright guys, so hood dampers, these right here. Yes sir. Carbon fiber. Look at that, slick. Very simple to install. I mean, it does come with instructions when you get them, but I mean, I know you've probably seen maybe a video or two on how to install this stuff, but man, at least this is for the EvoX X10 GSR. Anyways, so yeah, very simple. It comes with these, your hardware and some washers. This, and it tells you which side you need to put it on. As you can see, very simple. You unbolt that. It already comes on your car. You just undo that one, basically put a washer, drill it back on there. It has that little nut right there, which it'll hold it eventually. You do the same with the one right here. Take it off, put the washer, put it back on there. Same on the other side, very simple. And then you just pretty much put that on there. I mean, one person can do it, and bam, you got your engine bay looking nice. So when you pop it, boom, there it goes. Catch me outside, how about that? So yeah, I mean, very simple. Boom.